I say, hey, I'm Trevor. I know that you are. I forgot what your name you told me yesterday, but okay, it don't matter. I'm here now. I just wanna tell you something. Look, I need your number. Maybe I'll try to call you later. But then I'm scared. I don't know what to say. But let me take it higher now. I wanna make you mine now. I wanna, I think I'm Russian, but let me let the girl say it. Hey soul sister, hey you know I need ya. Ooh, izothatha ngisekhaya ngiyakintroduce kumama. I just wanna have your number so I can call you tomorrow. Hey soul sister, hey you know I need ya. Izothatha ngisekhaya ngiyakintroduce kumama. I just wanna have your number so I can call you tomorrow. Hey, izolo ngikubone kwaChippies, izolo I saw you flexing. I'm on the next day. I was riding a taxi. I was off to an island. I was chilling with God. Making this music is hard. It's hard. I'm turning colder now. I need a shoulder now. I need a shoulder to cry on. You need a shoulder to lean on. So I need you, babe. Come closer, babe. Cause I love you, babe. You know I love you, baby. Hey soul sister, hey you know I need ya. Ooh, izothatha ngisekhaya ngiyakintroduce kumama. I just wanna have your number so I can call you tomorrow. Hey soul sister, hey you know I need ya. Ooh, izothatha ngisekhaya ngiyakintroduce kumama. I just wanna have your number so I can call you tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow, 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 and I say, hey. Yeah, I go by the name of Trav. Instagram, Trav_Spaceboy. Facebook, I am Trav Black Love. Twitter, I am Trav95. Let's do that.
Everything is so hood, dog.
Yeah.
Do this.
Let me speak.
Look. Maybe if dad was alive, ngabe manje ngesuit, I wouldn't wanna raise that point. Ngoba kuzoba nembuzo, a father son is his reflection. Ngisho kwisibuko, I'm going back to my roots. Mele ngigcine isiko, phela mina ngumnguni, futhi ngizalwe nesiko. Vele udede libit, mina ngize nephimbo. I can't rest ngaphansi kwesitamelo, ungekho lo mcingo. But this a cold world, vele wagodola no ring. Look, I told Usabelo that we gotta get him. Shout out to my brother Fabric, now it's time to get him. Likano told me ingoma zami zibiza my ex. Manje ngifaka lo pace, I'm tryna chase lo ex. Look, I come from the dirt, umsengo ukulindulu. Lapho ngiphuma khona my brother impilo cool. What? I'm in Durban now, tryna get your way. Life is better now, I say H stands for everything is so good. H. It stands for gotta
everything.
make it out of the hood.
Yeah, I say
H.
It stands for
everything is so good. H. Yeah,
okay.
Gotta make it out of the hood. Look, my mom is alive, akawufuni lo mculo. Hey, kodwa wangizala wanginikeza lesipho. Impilo imfishane mele wenze kuyiko. You gotta speak up before we lose the EP. Stick to your dreams, ulandela maphupho. Bazokhala when I find out the truth. I have the best album like Casper's Studio. Maybe I'll just be lucky be in Casper's Studio. Hey, I told Stunning Zobangena show. If in Cuba's like Trav, you can rap, bro. Hey, don't sound like somebody else, bro. I'm like, but I am Trevor all the way, dog. Hey, I come from the dirt. Lapping Puma corner, my brother in Mlhp. I'm in Durban now, tryna catch a wave. Life is better now. I say, stands for everything is so good. Gotta make it out of the hood. It stands for everything is so good. Yeah. Gotta make it out of the hood. Yeah.
All right. Guys, we must focus more on the things that are happening around us. Njengamanje we're facing gender-based violence. It doesn't matter whether you're a male, no, you're a female. We are all suffering. In most cases, males also suffer more, and there are more cases of males more than females. It's just that males don't report. So guys, we must be able to man up and have a voice and speak out about what is going on, because we can't live under emotional torture, and mental health is key. So yeah, peace.